Here we present you the oil drainer from DaTo. This is the most sophisticated oil drainer ever released by DaTo. The model number is ASOD2090A. This machine comes with a highly durable fiber wheels and with a very strong and ergonomic suction chamber that will measure for you 20 liters of oil, that is used oil, during the suction phase. The tank capacity is 80 liters and together it comes to around 100 liters of oil. The machine is highly sophisticated and highly ergonomic in design. This machine comes with stainless steel coated drain pipes with a full suctional hoses, that is coil spring and supports. The gauge you can see here is very big and highly thick, so it shows you how durable the gauges are showing here. The machine is very comfortable in use and it's quite high, very high reach, and it's very durable for the quick oil changing. The suction power of this machine is very fast. You can say the used oil can be sucked out from the car in a fraction of minutes. This is the control lever. The control lever gives you very good chamber control for the pressure adjustment in the machine. The machine comes with gauges on all parts to make sure that the pressure is never exceeded, so it works highly safe. This is the 2-in-1 oil draining machine that comes with the oil draining funnel and the oil suction pipe units. The oil suction units comes with various length and various type of flexible hoses that you can directly plug inside the oil level indicator of the engine.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipment,